बहुसंस्कृती युगान साहित्य आणि भाषेचे अध्यापन शास्त्र या विषयावेलो एक परिसंवाद चौगुले कॉलेजीन घडून हाडिल्लो। दोतोर आनंद पाटील या परिसंवादाक मुखेल उलोवपी आशिल्लो। या संवसारान यशस्वी जावपा खातीर सगळ्यांक खासा प्रशिक्षण दिवंक जाय अशें मत दोतोर पाटलान उक्तायलें।
We are products, cultural products, literary products, language products, and language carries something. It is only the means, and serious thinking is required for knowledge. The whole terminology of meters is changing. Hundreds of pieces on single writers. So we have to compare all these things and rethinking. There, Gayatri says, I want to give the training to the imagination. New aesthetics is required for giving training to imagination. And my friends, I hope this seminar will be a great success if there is a training to imagination for performance, for epistemology is knowledge, acquiring new knowledge, and then we will be competent to live in the new age of globalization. And globalization is live locally, think globally, otherwise sink in Juari totally.
गोयचो नामनेचो क्रिकेट कोच चंद्रकांत चेडे 32 वर्साच्या सेवे उपरांत बुधवारा निवृत्त जालो। चेडेन गोंयान शेकड्यांनी पयलो वर्ग क्रिकेट खेळगडे तयार केल्यात। गोंयांतल्या तरणाट्या खेळगड्यांक चेडेन बरी उर्बा दिली अशें आदलो रणजी खेळगडो हेमंत आंगले म्हणटा। शदाब जकाती आनी सगुण कामत ह्या गोंयच्या रणजी क्रिकेटरांचो चेडे कोच।
गोंयांतलो सगळ्यांत ज्येष्ठ क्रिकेट कोच चंद्रकांत चेडेक बुधवारा सेंड ऑफ दिलो। गोंय खेळा प्राधिकरणाच्या क्रिकेट कोचांनी ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली। खेळा संचालक व्ही.एम. प्रभुदेसाय आनी एसएजीचो कोचिंग संयुक्त संचालक ब्रुनो कुतिनोन तांचो भोवमान केलो। कोच चेडे ह्या वेळार सामको भावनावश जाल्लो।
By 76 when I was in training, NIS cricket coaching training, Mr. Arjun Naidu, after seeing my all this activity and physical fitness training, I used to take throughout the year I took the physical fitness of my group only. That time India camp was there, Women India camp. Really I got the chance to train the India women's cricket team, and from there I got actually what is the coaching and how we should do the coaching. That full knowledge I got from Sir Arjun Naidu.
He used to point out what his natural abilities were, and he never touched them. Nowadays, coaching means changing. That's what we are learning, that's what we are seeing elsewhere. That my mark has to be there on that cricketer. He was doing this, now I have told him to do that. He never changed anybody. He just went on with his natural abilities and saw to it that his natural abilities, what a cricketer possessed, flowered.
You have made my cricket career as well as coaching, and I will be always thankful to you. Sir Chede has spread a cricket structure all over Goa, and I hope everybody will believe in this. We never had a cricketing structure in Goa. Since Sir was there, he had coached right from Prudent to Konkani and every part of Goa.
The Chede could immensely contribute. As a lot of speakers said, whatever Goan cricket is today, I would like to give 70-75%, maybe 80% credit to Chede for his very strong foundation, for his very scientific coaching, very methodical coaching. And as Hemant said, he was walking cricket, talking cricket, sleeping cricket, breathing cricket. Cricket has been his soul and his heart and his mind.
For Chede sir is all the best for him in whatever he does and whatever he will do.
कंपाला वयल्यान आमचो चलचित्र खबराकार दिनेश करपे।
उदेंत्या खेळगड्यां खातीर पयलीच राष्ट्रीय फुटबॉल लीग सर्त म्हणल्यार यूथ चॅम्पियन्स लीग सध्या कुडतरे आनी हळदोण्या ग्रावंडार चलता। बिरेस्तारा हे सर्तीचे समारोप सुवाळ्याचो दबाजो जावपाचो आसा. फातोड्ड्या स्टेडियमात जावपा आशिल्ल्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक पुर्तुगालचो आदलो मिडफिल्डर लुईस फिगो मुखेल आकर्षण आसतलो.
There are teams participating from almost 15 states of India, including Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, North, Haryana, everywhere. Right? The major teams I would say is Indus from Bangalore, then you have Aditya Birla School from Mumbai, Salgaonkar, Chalchit Brothers, all of them are participating as well. They are under 17 teams, and the knockouts are going to be on 1st of November, and we think it's going to be a really good knockout and a really interesting knockout.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबुक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.